you manifest good customer, good sales, good profit margin, customer retention, and will help you to clear your dead stock as well as with this discipline from this.
Many of you have the high energy, raise your hand, guys.
I'm just throwing a pen in the sky like this, and it came back and went down. Do you know that gravitational force does not only apply to the objects, but everywhere in your life? And what if I say that gravitational force apply in your business as well? And another question, when you look at the gravitational force result in your business, when it goes down, how do you feel? And what do you talk to yourself? This is very, very important, my dear friend, to know and note that what exactly you are talking during that time to yourself. And for that very reason, I have brought something amazing in front of you today, and that I'm going to share in this video. And what I'm going to share in this video is 3 important cares that you need to always bring and apply in your business. And for that very reason, I want you to listen to this video till the end. All right, are you game for it? Let me ask you this question, which I want to share and say what my wonderful friend, one of my friend just few days back, she said that when you pet a snake and if it bites you, whose fault is this? Think about it and let me know. And while you are thinking and letting me know, let me quickly share the screen with you. Okay, so screen which I am going to share with you will have the mind map in it. And I'm sure you are going to really, really, really love that. So what your business needs, okay? And the very important thing is this, that in your business is needed is this. Let me share my screen, okay? All right, I hope all of you can see my screen. Can you all see my screen? Okay, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Okay, it's loading right now, my dear friend. It's loading right now. All right, so before it continues to load, let me quickly tell you one thing. The very important thing in your business, because you want to grow your business, let me know if you want it or not. And your business need to grow. That is also another important stuff, right? And for that very reason, what I am going to do is that while I'm sharing the screen, let me balance it well so that it will become visible to you. Okay, so what I'm going to talk is this today. Okay, is I hope the screen will remain visible to you. Okay, the screen will remain visible to you. So my topic is this, business needs. My topic is business needs. And business needs wants to know that what exactly you think about your business all the time. Think, talk about it, and with it. Okay, think, talk, and feel with it and about it, and do with it and about it. Okay, so what did I tell? S T T F D, TTFD, TTFD, TTFD. So think, talk, feel, and do. So you would say that, do you mean to say, Gaurav, that for business only these things are needed? What if I say yes? What if I say yes? Because every time when you are thinking about the business, what you are thinking about it? Are you thinking about it? Okay, in the world, how things are falling down, how recessions are impacting the world economy. Is it going to, what if it is going to impact me? First, you think about it and then you start discussing about it. Remember, your subconscious mind, you know about the subconscious mind? So, subconscious mind is the powerhouse, is the storage of your memory, and your subconscious mind does not know the outer world. It knows only one thing and one person and one word, and that is you, my dear friend. So, whenever you talk about something or about someone, your subconscious mind indirectly thinks and indirectly understands that you are only talking about your own self, and it multiplies that result. Okay, so in case you are talking about business losses about someone, it means directly or indirectly it will apply those losses for you. So, isn't it very, very important that when you are thinking about some losses, can you shift those losses? Now, let me quickly talk to you directly. Okay. Can you shift thinking about those losses towards the profit someone would be making despite the recession? Okay. So, first, you need to shift the thinking. That's number one. And this is something inner game. Business owners are not knowing, and that's the very reason they are not continuously growing their business. Number two, what is number two? After think, you talk, right? So you have to tell that when you talk, first you talk to yourself, because thinking is talking, right? Thinking is talking. If you are able to understand, please type into the chat window or in comment section. TIT means thinking is talking. So first you talk to yourself, and when you are convinced with that, then you get and feel an urge to discuss about it with someone else in your connection, in your network. And by knowingly and unknowingly, you feel like talking about that subject, that how somewhere someone's business is really not doing well. And indirectly, you are attracting that in your life. Have you ever thought being a businessman in that way? I'm sure that not. And that is the very reason every single time you might be attracting the losses, not so good customers, and not so good profit margin in your life. And if you could rework in this stock, what is going to happen? When you will rework on the stock, you are going to attract, my dear friend, listen very closely. You are going to attract a very good profit margin, very good sales, very good customers, and those customers will retain. Yes. Having said so, after think and talk, what comes next? Let me quickly go back and share the screen with you, my dear friend, and bring after talk as feel all the time how you are feeling about your business. Okay. So are you feeling low about your business? Then you apply act as if, even though you are feeling low, can you do some activities so that will charge you up, that will pump you up, so that you will start feeling amazing and great about it. And the moment you will start feeling amazing and great about it, you will start attracting amazing and great about it. You won't believe until you would do that. And that's the very reason, my dear friend, I want you to start experimenting this so that you will have the similar result, my dear friend. Having said so, think about doing what kind of action you take. Is it really supporting towards in your business, or it is really disempowering, um, disempowering your activities towards your business? Do means, are you doing income generating actions daily? If you will do income generating actions daily, you know, it will multiply next day. If you see, the thing is that there is always a ripple effect. What you will do and you will repeat, you will gradually be going to be mastered into it. Okay, listen very closely one more time. What you will do and then repeat, eventually you will become master of it. And even what you don't do and you won't, and you would repeat the task of not doing, eventually you will become master in it. So of doing, you will attract the result. Of not doing, equally you will attract the result. So with this framework of TTFD, that is think, talk, feel and do, what actually you are putting eventually in your business, that is going to come and add value in your business. So this is very, very important. These are the four pillars of any business towards positivity. You would say that if I am not really doing good, so first you need to analyze your business well, analyze all those pillars. There are 105 of friction any business undergo, and if you are aware of this friction, if you are aware, you are going to clear. Okay, if you are aware, you are going to clear what? Clear all the roadblocks which is coming in front of your business growth. That's the reason. Be aware to have to take an action which is clear. Be aware to make it clear. Okay, with you, for you, and for your business as well. So this was a simple four important pillars of any business that will, if you will start eventually working on it, that will let you manifest good customer, good sales, good profit margin, customer retention, and will help you to clear your dead stock, as well as will continue to help your family bonding as well, because ultimately you started working on your mindset. And just now I have touched the point of business subconscious mind. No one talks about BSM, that is business subconscious mind. And now you know that in your business, your subconscious mind knows only about you. So had you ever heard about business subconscious mind? Yes, my dear friend, if this is something was really empowering for you, I'm sure that you should be start working upon your business subconscious mind, so that you will have amazing relationship in your family, with your customer, with your business partner. Those will help you to gain more profit, more sales, and more customers, and let them retain with you and clear the debt stock if any, and can recover any debts if you have. It will recover your stuck money very, very soon. So these all things, if you want to really, really, really know well and know more about it, what I want to suggest you is very important is this, that attend my upcoming mastermind which is coming, masterclass which is coming, that is free for business owner. And in fact, everyone who are thinking to continue some business, or if you had some connection or to someone you really want to give a business advice to do business, then I would like to invite you to join my upcoming free manifestation trigger masterclass. And that will trigger the manifestation for you to attract more businesses, more money, and more happiness sometime, on site, vacation, and relationship, whatever you would be looking for, including the profit, sales, marketing, and branding for you. Thank you so much. You were listening to Kumar Gaurav, Business Abundance Coach. Love, light, blessing. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.